period piece of Spode, a dinner plate. The pattern is called Blanche de Chine, made in a variety of different colours. This is the blue. This is all relief moulded, and you can see some of the issues over the years have occurred with this one. Just a little bit of wear on this elevated thorny branch that's moulded into this plate design around that inner rim where it's been stacked. If I bring it into a close relief, you can just see a little faded over there, but it doesn't really show too badly. In terms of the design, I think most of them from this era are going to show that. Blanche de Chine was introduced on an RD number from 1933. There's the China mark from Spode. This one's showing the US patent pending, which makes it mid-century. The registration number 785542, as say, dates it to 33, but I think this is a mid-century 1950s, 1960s. It was made right the way up until, I think, 1978. This is the large dinner plate. Nice clean plate surface, not being used particularly heavy, very occasional knife mark. They're very pretty and very collected. Blanche de Chine, Spode, dinner plate, mid-century, available from us here on the website. The link below from YouTube will take you through to the Vintage and Antiques website listing for this particular dinner plate. Unfortunately, just the one currently available. Thanks for watching.